Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and gathering the credentials needed to change security settings. Manufacturers require proof for safety. Once done, back up your data to avoid accidental loss and make sure the device has sufficient charge and a stable connection. You will navigate the official settings menu next, so avoid third-party tools. This approach preserves warranties and avoids legal issues, while preparing the device for biometric removal through supported, legitimate paths. Authenticate into the security or biometric settings using your PIN or password. Manufacturers require this to prevent unauthorized changes. Once inside, locate stored fingerprint or face entries and use the built-in remove option to delete them individually. After removal, explicitly disable biometric unlock toggles and confirm the device now requires PIN or password. Make sure to set a strong alternative credential so the device remains protected. This method keeps the system intact and avoids voiding device protection. Reboot the device and verify that the lock screen no longer offers biometric unlock. Try signing in with your alternate credential. Once confirmed, install any system updates and review manufacturer guidance to ensure your action aligns with device policies. If the built-in removal fails or the system still prompts, contact the device maker's support or an authorized service center. Have proof of ownership ready. That single troubleshooting tip protects you from accidental lockouts and ensures change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.